In this video, I'm going to show you the AI Inpainter feature within Artistly. So this is how it works. You click on select personal design or add an image from URL, upload an image. But the idea here is that you can inpaint certain elements by replacing one object with another. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's just choose a design. So here I'm going to choose this design of an interior of a library of a particular home. Now, let's say I want to replace this chandelier with something more modern, right? I want to replace it, and then I want to basically replace it with something else which is a little bit more modern because it looks a little bit dated, right? So all I need to do is I have the option, I left click my mouse, and you see that little black area that's coming around it. So I'll select that object, if you will, right? In this case, this chandelier, right? So I'll select that area so I can make it a little bit selected like so. Now it's selected. Now all I need to do is go down and I can simply say modern futuristic bright chandelier, right? And then I can click on Inpaint Design and boom, it is gonna do the replacement for us. Let me show you how the result looks like. Here we go. Look at that. It completely changed the chandelier in that image to completely something different. Let me show you before. You'll almost feel like it is like magic. See, before we had, let's reset the mask here. See, it was something like this, right? You see that the shape was sort of like this, like a mushroom, right? Now look at the shape now. You see this? It's more circular in nature. It almost fits into that whole design, the decor and everything, right? So this is what the inpainting works. So you could literally select any object within these images and then you can replace them while keeping the entire stylistic elements of that image intact. Okay, that is in a nutshell what the AI Inpainter feature does. I would recommend you to use it one at a time, meaning you want to replace one object at a time. If you do too many, the AI will get confused on what the approach is, right? So for example, if I'm only blocking out one area, one element, that's okay. Like for example, only this pillow area here, for example, or I just want to do just this one photo here or something like that, it works perfect. But if you do multiple areas, right? Like for example, if I do the pillow area here, then I also select this area, I select this area, then I select some books here, it's not going to come out good because you're telling what to replace one to one, right? So always keep it within one. You can always, obviously, once you have this image selected, it becomes part of your personal design. So you can go back in and make that change. So for example, once this is created, you can go into your personal design, choose design, and you see you can select it from this area again and make some other further changes, right? So you can always do that once it's generated. So that's always an option, but always keep it one to one, okay? Otherwise the AI is going to get confused and it's not gonna, the output is not gonna come out as good as you want it to come out, okay? So hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about another feature in Artistly.